Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is about fixing the issue with Valorant error code VAN81, which is giving you a connection error. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. There are two simple steps to fix out the issue. First one is right click on taskbar and choose the option task manager. Now in the left pane, click on the option services and press the V key to find a service with the name VGC. You need to right click on it, and if the service status is stopped as it is showing right over here, you need to click on the option start to start the VGC service at once. Right over here you will find the status over here. Now again right click and this time choose the option open services to make it online or to make it start as soon as you launch the game. So press the V key, double click to open VGC, and in the startup type from drop down list choose the option automatic and make sure it must be running. Hit apply and OK button. Now close it. Now again go ahead, relaunch your Valorant and make sure while launching this VGC service must be running right over here, and this will fix out the issue. If this failed to work out, in next step, first of all, if you are launching riot client or Valorant, you need to close it properly from to your system. Close it. Even from system try again also, if it is available, right click and choose the option exit. This will permanently close the riot client. Now click on start menu, type CMD and choose the option run as administrator. Type here a command delete VGC and hit the enter key. Now second command is delete space VGK and hit the enter key again. Now once you delete both the commands, make sure to restart your PC as these commands will not work. After restarting, head over to C drive, program files and find a folder with the name riot vanguard. Right click and choose the option delete. You can see I have not restarted my PC, that's why I am getting this particular error. So make sure you restart your PC and then delete this particular folder. After deleting the folder, you need to relaunch your riot client, log in using your credentials, and after login it will ask you to update. Click on the option update and this will completely fix out the issue of Valorant error code VAN81. So as of now, this is all about it friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.